chicken curry or curry chicken? Hear me out first. This is just my explanation. Whatever anybody else want to say, that's for you. If the Chinese want to call it curry chicken, and Guyanese want to say chicken curry, let it be that. I respect the tradition, but this is an explanation I could give why it should be chicken curry. Now, every time we say chicken curry, Chinese come on and say, but you just curry the chicken, hence curry chicken. Right, you curry the chicken, so it becomes curried chicken, past tense, C-U-R-R-I-E-D, chicken. If you check the Webster dictionary, check this picture, Webster dictionary even show you how to use the word, even, and it shows it clearly, chicken curry. Now, you could say curry chicken, not curry chicken. I understand tradition, Trinity spelling it as C-U-R-R-Y, chicken, curry chicken, fair. But the correct way, if you want to say curried chicken, is curried chicken, C-U-R-R-I-E-D, chicken. Or like the Webster dictionary, chicken curry is, chicken is a noun, curry is also a noun. Curried is an adjective. But look at the Webster dictionary here, it gives you an example how to use the word chicken curry. You could also say curried chicken, not curry. This is just English, that's all. But if Chinese want to say curry chicken, fine, that's tradition, and other Caribbean countries say it, like Jamaica and so on. Fine, let we live with that. But the correct way how it should be English wise is chicken curry or curried chicken. This is my view on it.